your girl Winter Slays here, and today I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be a collective clothing haul, and we also have some accessories thrown in there. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also turn on those post notifications so you can see when I post a new video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is just this purse right here. It's a purse by Anne Klein, and it's just like this light baby blue color, and it has this silver chain, and it also comes with these straps, and it has like two divider pockets right here. And I got this purse from Marshall's, and it was only $25, and y'all, that is not bad for this cute purse. It's so cute. Oh shit, what the fuck going on? Police coming by. I'm just gonna keep it small first with the accessories, because we only have two accessories. I don't know what it is, but lately I've been really into like butterflies. So I just got these earrings right here, and they're just gold butterfly earrings, and they're from Fashionnova. Original price was $5.99, but you know, I always got a discount code somewhere, so it was probably like $2. Then the next thing is something that I've been really wanting for the longest. Like, I would see it online and I would really think about, like, should I order it now? Should I wait? Should I order it now? Should I wait? So one day when I was at work, it just popped up on my screen, and I'm like, maybe it's just time for me to order it, you know what I'm saying? So let me put it together. What the fuck is that? So this is the necklace that I've been wanting forever. When I say forever, I really mean forever. It's still backwards. Just this silver butterfly tennis necklace, and y'all, so cute. I should have got a longer chain because I don't really like short necklaces, but this was $54, so we gonna rock it. That's on period. Next, we're gonna get into the clothing from Rainbow. Okay, so the first thing I have from Rainbow is just this cropped jacket. So it's just cream khaki. Basically, it's like a cropped jacket. It has buttons. Then it also has the adjustables on the side, so you can like tighten it. It's kind of like it's supposed to be baggy, but I don't really like that. And this was $22. Pockets that you can actually use. Okay, to the next item. The next thing that I got from Rainbow was just this purse right here. It's a cute small bag. It's like the knitted material. It has the pearls right here. It's pretty spacious on the inside, but I don't really plan on putting many things in here. You could do it 2 straps or 1. Whichever one you prefer. I like the 2 strap better with these kind of purses. And this was only $9.99. So that's not bad for $10. Next item. So it's just this cloudy, kind of like tie-dye-ish blue, and it does have the stripes on the side. And it does come to my kneecaps. And it was only $5. Can't go wrong with $5, baby, for the set. And it's stretchy, it's comfortable. I would recommend anybody to get these 2-piece sets because they're cheap and you can wear it all summer. Come on, now this is the next item, y'all. When I tell y'all I love this dress, I fucking love this dress. It's so fitting. It has the like diamond details. They ain't blinking, but they cute though. And it's short. It stops at the above the knee. This is definitely going with me on my trip, baby, because I gotta look good. Right? Because if I can't every time I look at myself in this dress, like ah. Okay, on to the next item, which we're going to start the Fashionnova portion. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys the Fashionnova clothes because my phone is about to die. And I might film the try-on portion and then put it in there. But we'll see. We'll see. Because if you guys want that, I'll do that. So, the first set I have is the Don't Miss You Lounge cropped hoodie. And if I can get it up. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like here. It's just a cropped hoodie. And then also have the pants. Now, I don't really like the fit of the pants. Like, I don't know. I'll wear them because I bought them. Shit, they was only like, I think it was $9. Coupon code. I don't know what happened, but this is the Don't Miss You Lounge joggers. I don't really like the fit of these, but they're good enough because I just plan on wearing these on the plane. They're cropped, so it comes like to the mid calf. And then I also have the sweatshirt. Now the sweatshirt is really cropped, baby. It's cropped. So the goodies are gonna be hanging out. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. This is the prideful midi dress, and y'all, this dress it's so cute. I showed my grandma this dress, and she was like, "That's the best thing you bought from Fashionnova yet." And I said, "Girl," but it's just this black. As you see, it's ribbed. It also ties in the front. But what I like about it is that it has a split. Has a split in the front, and y'all, it fits so well. Like, it's really cute. This is just a swimsuit, the same swimsuit from my birthday vlog at Myrtle Beach, the exact same swimsuit. I just bought another one because I couldn't find the top to my old one. So, and y'all know I got the colorful dresses all summer. It's looking orange on camera, but it's really coral. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. It's coral, and it has the ruching on the sides. And as y'all know, I like the ruche, as you see from my last video. So it just has that, and you can also tighter. And then the next one, I have these, and it's like cover-up pants, kind of, or you can wear them regular because they do have the lining on the inside, and it's just like that. I told you I plan on being naked on these trips, and I don't at all have. If you look at my other video, which will probably be linked somewhere up here, I'll basically put them all linked up somewhere up here. Okay, this is the exact same outfit, but it's just the black one. I wanted to get the pink one too, but I'm like, oh. Then I have these. These are like the Vegas showgirl stockings. Just regular stockings, but they have diamonds. That's for another time. I ain't got time for that. What I'm yep, the Vegas showgirl fishnets, rhinestone fishnets. Those were $8.58. The dress, no, the bodysuit was $16.52. Y'all, I bought these sexy. They're called the Watch Me Dip mini dress, and this one is in coral. I don't know, maybe coral is my new favorite color or something, because everything's in coral. Y'all, this looks so good on, like, I don't understand. The titties out, and it's short, baby. It's short. It's short. Like, this is really the whole dress. It's not super long at all. Also have it in yellow, because you can never go wrong with yellow. And these dresses were $13.22, you know, because of the coupon codes. So cute, so cute. Then I bought another this is the Summer Party 2-piece swimsuit, and it's just like this, if I can get it. Like, it's cut, like, it's cut, but it's cute. And these are the bottoms. It's the back, and then the front. And the swimsuit was $13 as well. And then I also got a pair of shoes, which I'm about to show you. Okay, and the name of the shoe is the Overtime Slip-On Sneaker, and it's just this shoe right here. I think I showed you guys another pair in my last video, but it had the dots, and I just wanted a plain black and white pair. So it's basically a fake Balenciaga, you know what I'm saying, but who cares? And it's really good quality as well. Like, it's soft in the inside. It's not that cheap stuff, because I can bend my shoe. Yes, and these were $23.15. I think original price was like $40. That was it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification. And this is our first video of 2020, so if you made it this far in the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below, please comment down below what you guys would like to see from me, because I plan on doing more makeup challenges and videos, vlogs. Baby, I'm trying to do it all. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by August. I think that's reasonable. Share this video, share it with friends, family, enemies. Let everybody know Winter Slays is the next up and coming Cleveland YouTuber. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.